TV, and it's nearly Christmas. As part of this video today, we do need to announce the winners of this gorgeous fabric. So should we do that first of all? I think we'll do that now. So I've put all the names of the people that expressed an interest in the fabric. I've put them all in this hat, which is actually a tutorial on Stitchless TV, how to make a Russian faux fur hat, I think. Right, can you see in there? There aren't really that many names, but look. Right, so I've taken this one, and this one says, can you read that? It says Franca. So, Franca Sensale, sounds Italian, eh? You are the winner of this gorgeous fabric. So you need to send me an email, Franca Sensale, to stitchless@hotmail.co.uk saying you are the winner, and I'll have to get a postal address off you to send your free fabric to you. Hopefully you're in the UK, but somehow I feel like you're in America. Right, so what else shall we do? It's Christmas. Now I have got a little bit of a tour around London looking at some Christmas displays. But do you want to look at what I'm wearing? Because this is going to be my Christmas outfit. So I don't know how much you can see. So I've got this dress, and I must do a tutorial on it. It's got tears, and it's made of a blue, look, blue-black taffeta. Also, I'm wearing, I need to do a tutorial on this as well. It's very, very easy. It's kind of based on a sort of biker jacket shape, but it's made in, no, I really don't know if you can see this. Can you see that? Can you see that at all? Can you see that they are actually dinosaurs? So it's lace made with lots of dinosaurs. Now I used a bit of silk. Oh, I've got to show you that too, don't I? Do you see the edge? So for the edge, I used a bit of, I washed the silk just to kind of distress it a bit, but before that I cut it, so I had a nice raw edge. I washed it and I've inserted it, and then I put drawstrings. Drawstring, can you see that? Drawstring. Put drawstring that stopped about there because it gives it a nice shape. Now, do you want to know about this? Oh, I've got to come close again. You'll see my wrinkly neck. Okay, maybe we can cut the wrinkly neck. So this is made using the paper rolling technique. I think it's called filigree. And they've used ribbon and then put little pearls in there. It's made by a very clever lady called Catherine Wardropper. Anyway, have a lovely, lovely Christmas. We've got that Italian music again, just because I like it, even though we're actually going around London. I know, weird. See you again very soon. Happy Christmas. Happy Christmas. Oh, and Happy New Year, if I don't see you. Bye. Oh, congratulations to Franca. Bye.
Wow.
Wow, that is, wow, look at that.
So you can see the box will make quite a bit.
Yeah.